Hey, hello, you're welcome back to Project Management Demystified. My name is Michael, I'm a VP and a project management professional. Right, I think this is episode 16 of our hypothetical project. So, yeah, things have been going too well on this project and it doesn't really reflect reality. So, today I just want to be just let's think about some of the things that could go wrong because projects hardly ever just go smoothly the way we've just been coasting to victory. Right. So let's just assume that the solution, the off-the-shelf solution that the consultant has demoed or has brought or they're testing, we realize that maybe the programming language of the API is different from what our system is used to. So this is where a lot of creativity come in. So the project manager or the business analyst, depending on their experience, they might not know about programming and all, but they should be reaching out to the software developers in-house and even the consultant software development team to understand what could be done. So maybe one of the options could be, let's build the solution to have similar to have the same programming language. So maybe is REST, make both REST or XML or JSON. Another option could be that they'll use web services to make the solution environment agnostic. So that means that they can build in a way that it can accept any services coming from anywhere, regardless of where it's coming from. So they could use web services, APIs to microservices, basically to convert all these things. So that could be one of the options. So then they will have to go into the project manager or the project management professional. It does not necessarily have to be the project manager. Will be facilitating conversations around which one works best. So a lot of things will be considered. The cost to be considered. The long-term or strategic impact or direction of the organization will be considered. So if the organization is moving to something different in a year or two, we'll want to consider the cost that we're paying today in relation to what the costs of where we're moving to would be. So if it's something that aligns with strategic objective of the organization, the project could afford to actually spend more. So the project might be spending something that doesn't make sense from the project standpoint, but from a strategic standpoint, it makes sense because the organization is moving in that direction anyway. So this is just now that the bonnet is up, let's fix it. What else? What could go wrong? So a lot of very simple things like a typo. I don't think you want to have a big organization like a government agency or a consultancy or a big multinational organization that has a typo on their website. It is human beings that are typing to build the website or the platform or the mobile app. So someone could make a mistake. So it is someone that would put those information in there. So there's a lot of governance that go into that. And things could be corrected, but anything can happen. So that could be something that was spotted, and then it will be corrected. Things like that can be easily corrected, depending on the size of the organization. Some organizations might have to go through a lot of governance so that doesn't happen again. Some would have to put processes in place to prevent that from happening in the future, which is a good practice. So some organizations, anytime something goes wrong, the first thing they do, they try to fix the problem, but they make sure that problem doesn't happen again. They go through a lot of processes to put standards in place, to put checks in place, to make sure that problem that just existed, that just happened, never exists again, never happens again. I think I'll probably just stop there and I'll see you on the other side. Hope that was helpful. Cheers. Bye-bye.